Thank you. Rocky, you know, when I mention everybody out there in the audience, though, I bet you they think you're a funny bird. Are you a funny bird? Are you a funny bird? You're a funny bird. Yeah, Rocky's funny now, but some mornings, well, Rocky's not so funny, especially when he wakes up on the wrong side of the perch in a bad mood. He growls. Uh-oh. Sounds like a bad mood. Real serious. Bad feather day. Well, I don't think Rocky's in a bad mood, but anyway, Rocky, it looks like we're running out of time, so you think you can help myself and all of our parrot friends say goodbye? Bye. 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 Thank you, Rocky. Thank you.
Now, scorpions are not insects. They're in the arachnid family related to spiders. So they do have 8 legs, just like the tarantulas we have on display. Would you leave her alone? It's not me. Okay, Marlene, you can bring it back over here. You did a great job. You know what, Professor? Well, you did a real good job. Yeah, you did a great job. Sorry about that, Rafiki, but we don't have anything else to bring it up. Yeah, we do. What do you mean? Well, we do have one more little animal right there inside my house. What is it? What do you think about it? Is it a cute little guy? Yes! Is it cute as a monkey? Cuter than a monkey. Cuter than a monkey. Cuter than a monkey. Are you going to let anyone hold it? Yeah. You're going to help me. All right. Well, be careful. Who else is going to help me? Hey! She just volunteered. Come on down right here. No big deal. All right. Anybody else over here? All right, I guess I'm going to see my phenomenon here. What's going on here? Nobody wants to help me? How about you? No big deal. How about you? What's going on here, Biggie? How about you two come down here? Nobody wants to help us out? Yeah, I got no big deal. Why do we need somebody anyway? I want everybody to have a chance. Okay. How about you stay right here? Right here in the line right Come on down. You don't trust me? No big deal. How about you? You're big. How about you? Come on down, buddy. All right. Got plenty. Could you just go get it out? All right.